Got a P0301 fault code? That means cylinder 1 is misfiring. But what's causing that and how do you fix it? It could be spark, fuel, or air. For cylinder 1, the most common issues are a worn out spark plug, a failing ignition coil, or a clogged or malfunctioning fuel injector. So, which one do you check first? Start with the spark plug. It's cheap and easy to replace. If not, then try the ignition coil. Move it from one cylinder to another. If the misfire moves, then that was the culprit. Otherwise, it could be a clogged injector. Take out the injector, inspect it, and clean it. After replacing the part, use your Carista scanner to clear the fault code. Then take a short drive and check again. If the misfire is gone, you're good. But if the P0301 comes back, it's time to visit a professional.